welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna be using some As I Am products, and I'm excited because I've had this product for so long, you guys, and this is their new curling cream, and this is by As I Am. Y'all already know by the title. So yeah, they got a new curling cream out, and I've actually already tried this curling cream, and it is so moisturizing, but the slip on it is good, but we're gonna get into that. The slip though, sis, the slip is so good. So I'm gonna be applying the curling cream in conjunction with the curling cream. I am gonna be using the smoothing gel by As I Am as well. So yeah, I'm no stranger to either one of these products. As you can see, that one, looking a little suspect. That is the smoothing gel, and let's see how much. The curling cream. So I'm gonna take this down. Y'all, got my little towel on. So my hair is already shampooed and conditioned and deep conditioned, all that good stuff. I didn't add a leave-in this time just because, like I said, we're gonna get more into this curling cream, and I really just don't think that I need it. But there's my hair. And you guys know we like to start from the back door. And y'all know we like to start from the back door. I'm just gonna spray some water. All right, and I am going to take some of this curling cream, y'all. It is like, look at the consistency. Like, it's not thick. It's not thick at all. Look at that. Like, it's not thick, and that gives it so much slip. Like, so much slip. Ugh. Y'all, it just melts. Look at that. Like, y'all really do not need a lot of that. Like, do not go ham on that cream. It legit is moisturizing. So now I'm going to go in with the As I Am smoothing gel. And y'all, this is all from the first collection. Everything in that first collection has been A1 for me. Like, it has not failed me yet. This was actually a pretty big section for me. I never take my sections this big. But I'm bold today. I know As I Am products really loves water, and I love when I do this in the shower, so I'm just like, let me make sure I put on my water. Make sure. So you guys already know how we like to do it. I am going to go ahead and continue to work both products into my hair. I'm gonna let you guys just watch what I do. I'm gonna go ahead and play some music, and I will be back when I'm done.
Tell me how you want it, yeah.
Call me and I'm on my way.
Tell me that you need me, yeah.
I'll give it to you night and day.
I'm talking about
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah.
24/7, yeah.
All day, yeah. 24/7, oh no.
I can't stop loving you for 7 days straight. Now I can't live without you. If we ever broke up, I'm gonna have a kid without you. You're forever in my heart. I won't forget about you. I'll be crushing you on Monday like it's Wednesday. You pressed about it, brother, what your friends said. Oh, gee, 63 is what you've been said. I'm so happy you listen to your friends, babe. You can tell me how you want it, how you need it, I don't mind. Need you right here by my side, cause out of sight is out of mind. Not as far you hit the climb, but I was high. I hit your line a few more times and you hit back. Tell me how you want it, yeah.
Call me and I'm on my way.
Tell me that you need me, yeah.
I'll give it to you night and day.
Yeah, I'm talking about
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah.
24/7, yeah.
All day, yeah.
24/7.
Wanna know you in the worst way. Today our anniversary. Pump that suit up on my birthday, cause I know they keep you thirsty. Ain't no playing, this is us, but be gentle, ain't no rush. 365, you're the only one I trust. No, I can't get enough. And all my ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
All right, guys, so my hair is complete. This is what it's looking like. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Looks really good. It looks juicy. Now, this is going to be a softer wash and go. This is going to be like crispy, crunchy type of gel hold wash and go. That's not what this is. This is for my girls that like that nice soft look, but want some definition and shine and all that good stuff, because As I Am is like legit. You guys know I love me some As I Am. So, yeah, I'm going to sit under the dryer, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I look like once I dry and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in just a minute. All right, you guys, so my hair is completely dry, and it's the next day, and I have fluffed it a little bit, and this is what you get. And this is what you get. Like, As I Am is that brand that, like, if you want to do your wash and go the day before an event, this might need to be who you go with. Just because it gives you the volume, the definition, the shine, everything. Like, this is when you don't have 4 or 5 days to wait till the crunch of a hard gel gets softer. Yeah, this is so soft. Not crunchy at all, like no type of crunch, but I could tell my curls are holding. They're here to stay, okay? I do like that, but my hair feels so moisturized. So this curling cream you guys have seen, like, I mean, I kind of been using it for a minute, so this isn't nothing new to me, but it's really good. Like the slip, if you like something super slippery, this will be, you will love, love, love this. Like the slip on this is kind of like a little gooey, but it's a cream, so I like it. I really do like it. Shout out to As I Am. This was good. Like, their first line is my favorite. The classic line is amazing, and the smoothing gel on top of that, I've already used this, as you guys know. I would say it's a pretty good combo. What you guys think? Are you feeling the volume on first day? Like, I really am feeling this volume. Are you guys feeling it? Is it Kimchi Gang approved? Is this Kimchi Gang approved? I need to know. As I Am never disappoints. If you guys have tried it, let me know how you guys liked it in the comment section below, this curling cream. So I will have to give this a 2 thumbs up. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.